what happened to me when a cell phone tower went up behind my house and how sick my family became and some of my neighbors, and some died. And anyway, we moved away, and I've moved 11 times since because now I'm really sensitive to the radiation, and I'm basically homeless and I'm unemployable. No employee will accommodate me and guarantee that I won't be exposed to cell phone radiation or wireless internet radiation. And we were never offered any kind of a settlement for our home. We had to abandon our home. And so I come here today because I looked at all the concerns regarding wind turbine farms. I had people actually call me when my case was made public in the newspapers and on the radio, and one fellow from Pubnico called me. He was surrounded by a bunch of wind turbines, and he and his family were suffering from all these negative impacts, the sleeplessness and the suicidal thoughts and the depression and the flashing lights and the headaches and all that stuff. So they ended up moving in with relatives, and they still don't have a permanent home. And there's no compensation given, and these people are in a situation where they don't have the money to defend themselves. They can't hire lawyers, as I'm in that situation myself. And I'm a patient at the Environmental Health Center, and Dr. Fox, the medical director and doctor there, told me that 10 to 15% of the public are basically insignificant with new technologies, and that that's an allowable and acceptable number of people to become ill or die or not be able to tolerate the new technology. So if you're looking at petitions and numbers and you say the county has 55,000 people, then I would recommend highly that you have more than 15% of 55,000 people on those petitions in order for anybody to think that it is a significant number. And I would also recommend that upon medical diagnosis, which I have...
Excuse me, Barb, one second. Can I have an indication of how many people want to speak? Because I'm going to be very strict about the 2-minute rule. 1 more? 2 more? 3 more?
I have a question.
4 more? Okay, because I would like to keep to the 2-minute rule, but you can wrap up.
All right, what I would like to say is that there should be some recourse for people who can't afford to fight when they've lost their homes and they've been medically diagnosed with these problems because of these things being set too close to their homes, and that the municipal government would be responsible for those sorts of things. Right now I'm homeless.